Welcome back to my report analysis videos on Tuesday 3rd of January with me, Rich Perry Market Analyst at Atlantic Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now, and we've seen the Eurodollar which had that big spike higher during the Christmas trading. That was I mean, some people calling it fat finger trade. I think generally speaking it was very thin markets, and when you get thin markets and you can tend to either get high volatility or very low volatility. In this instance it was very high volatility which spiked the Eurodollar higher, only to completely unwind that move, and that sort of unwinding move has continued in the last few hours as the European session has got going really, and it looks like it's going to be sort of retesting, I think, these supports 103.70 and then ultimately 103.50, which was that low that we saw in December. I think that these levels will be tested, and I think that looking at the daily chart, the move has just basically been allowed to unwind some of that oversold momentum and regenerated a bit of selling pressure today. The stochastics crossing lower, RSI falling back below 40. These are all sort of negative signals really, so any rallies you get I think has a chance to sell. It looked early on as though there was a sort of a relatively neutral outlook on the euro, but that has sort of fallen by the wayside really as the dollar strength has taken hold once more today. So initial resistance you'd say is that sort of minor support 104.45, but I think that ultimately anything sort of between 104.50, 105 figure, 105 figure being sort of a bit of a late December sort of pivot line really. 105.50 sort of became some resistance and support, so a bit of a pivot, and 104.90 I think was the overnight high. Yeah, so basically anything between 104.50 105 figure I think is a decent selling opportunity, and I think it's going to put pressure ultimately back on these supports 103.70 and 103.50 that we saw in December. And likelihood is that we're going to still continue towards parity as the dollar continues to strengthen, so I'd be using any rallies on this euro dollar chart as a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.